Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to this channel. I share entertainment news and celebrity gossip. Guys, as I was scrolling on TikTok, I come across videos was spreading humor. Ne? The channel Liaga McG. So, and I'm like, okay, let me just watch. But I don't usually watch the whole show. I don't like watching my podcasts. I don't. I just see clips nje here and there. Maybe Facebook Reels or maybe uh TikTok. So now I'm just watching there, and I'm like, hey, Bo, could this be the real reason why Usima left that podcast? Because hey, sana kuningi, I see a video there, they were just mocking Usima and just laughing, having the time of their lives. Kanjani, like, okay, it's understandable when one person is laughing at you, ne? Let's say maybe neither one person is laughing at you, but two people laughing at you, and like it's two against one. You are just there trying to explain yourself. Like, I saw two videos, ne? The other one, she even wanted to cry. Like, you could see that she wants to cry, but she is just holding herself, Sana, because what in the bullying was happening in that place. Like, Sham, at first, I was so sad that she left the network, like, because you could see that she really loved it, Shem. Even though I was not watching the whole episodes, but from the clips that I've been seeing, you could see that she loved it. And for the fact that she stayed for so long, it shows that she loved it, because if she didn't love it, she was just going to be there maybe for a short period of time. So now, Yanda Woods is making a joke about Usima graduating at night. If you guys still remember very well, there was a rumor, saying Usima did not graduate. She's just faking her graduation because she is seeing Guti. A lot of people are graduating, so she hired a graduation gown and pretended to be graduating and all of that. Now, as someone who was in varsity myself, I know that graduations sometimes they do happen at night, guys. They do happen in the evenings. I used to see people there graduating at around like Boma 8 p.m. You would see people graduating. I am not saying that the graduation was legit, Yagasim, and I'm not saying that it was not legit. Eh? Because sana things happen, and sometimes maybe people are busy, like maybe they are using a venue, so they have to schedule amanyama graduations to be at night. But like we would see people graduating about 8 p.m. around the campus. So like it is possible to graduate at night, but yeah, mine was around like 9 a.m. ne? And when we got there around 9 a.m., we were not the first people to graduate. Imagine. So it means that there was a graduation ceremony before us around like Boma 7 a.m. So now you come here, Ngaboma 7 a.m. posting your pictures, and they were like, Exen Gangaga, sis, where did you graduate? Like, yo, kuningi. So Yanda Woods was making a joke about that. Oh, when now you graduated at night. And then Uzile also made a joke, ukuthi night owl. And then they laughed, they laughed. You could see Utusima was so hurt. She was so hurt, but she just kept quiet because it's two against one. But hey, and then the other video that I saw, guys, I'm going to include the clips at the end of this video. I'm going to include the clips at the end of this video so that you guys can just watch the clips. Leave a comment in the comment section down below. Do you think I'm just tripping? Maybe I'm just tripping, guys. I know that Usima left the podcast because of the comment that she made regarding ETV and scandal, what. But also, it could have been a blessing in disguise, Sana, because umntana waMantusha ngathi bekathwele kanzima laphiyana, like they were always ganging up on her like that. So in the other video, Usima, okay, Sima was not there, ne? They were interviewing someone, ne? So as they're interviewing this girl, she is asking Uti, guys, what really happened with Usima? Because I just want to know what happened. Why is she no longer in the podcast and things like that? And Yanda Woods was like, nothing happened. We don't like speaking about other people in their absence. And then girl was like, no, but guys, you can't say. Oh, the girl that was interviewed, ne? She said you can't say that because we are missing one person here. So, oh, Yanda Woods was like, no one is missing. Nobody's missing. How are we missing? Are we missing a person while all the space is taken or while all the seats are taken? Something like that. I was like, wow, wow, Sana. Anyway, guys, let me just stop rambling. Let me include the 2 clips that I saw on TikTok. And you guys leave a comment in the comment section down below. Do you guys think Usima was bullied there? Because, yo, Sana, it's really sad. But maybe it could have been a blessing in disguise that she left the podcast. You know, she's focusing on other things now. She's doing her thing. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next video. Bye.
I'm tired of you. I'm sick of you.
Then go find another job.
Look.
But you were not graduated soon. Kanjani?
You have to let away.
Who does this school that graduated like this?
Like
The Oscars that graduated late.
but like skolo ke skolo, guys.
Nasibone ngawe ukuthi possible. But now we know. People are haters.
Oh, God.
What did we miss in night? But at least you graduated because at the end of the day, I don't have a degree. So
A relationship le. Yes, it's balance.
Why?
Pela, we are missing somebody. So how are you guys gonna balance it going
how are
forward?
we missing somebody if all the seats are taken?
Ooh.
But I'm just here today.
No, you're not.
Just wait, guys. I'm being serious though. What's the balance looking like? I don't like being in uncertain
Yeah,
situations.
that's
Just
right.
tell me what's happening.
That's a lot.
Why don't get up? You
Well, you know,
You invited us.
I wanna know.
No, but just genuinely speaking,
Yeah.
balance. Just I don't like the uncertainty. Ease me. What's the future? Just balance. What's it looking like?
Respectfully,
Mm.
we, and I know Zile's like this too, we don't like speaking about people in their absence.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know, what we can say for the people that love us and support us, you know, we are shaking things up a bit. Like we said, you know, when Lasizwe was here, we still love Sima. We still appreciate Sima. I'm talking like we feel. You know, like Mac G and Bala said, you know, it's the new era, it's the numbers era. You know, sometimes things need to change. You know, yes, it hurts. Yes, it sucks. Yes, it doesn't make sense in the beginning. But, you know, we're also trying to find our balance. That's
Sure.
why,
Actually.
like,
Because I think
yeah.
for me, the biggest question was like, I think we all see what people are saying online.
Yeah.
And it's sort of, you know, there's the diehard fans that say she's taking the viewership away with her. But at the end of the day, this show started with 3 people.
Yeah.
It was always you 3 guys. And I feel like
yes.
also me watching, I fell in love with you guys.
Yeah.
Yanda was an anomaly to me before I got to know her on Spreading Humors. She was just a girl that,
Yeah.
you know, but she became more than just her pretty face and her cool looks. She
Oh, you're
became
pretty
somebody
too.
that like that I feel like, you know, people can confide in her and just feel comfortable. Zile, I actually got to know you for being comfortable with you and just you making me funny, you know? Even if we're having a serious conversation or whatever, dog, you're still gonna make it remind us where we're at. You're still gonna bring us back to home ground, like, guys, sabangani la regardless, you know? And so I don't know, I don't like what's happening.
Yeah.
Neither
That
do
chat
we.
and whatever, because it's for me, I don't see it as if she left you guys now.
Yeah.
Nothing, you know?
Also, there, like Yanda said, man, we don't like. I feel like it's way better when sometimes people speak their own truth.
Yeah.
Because like now it's like we are dictating on one. I did leave, and even Abu Meg, they said there's a decision that was taken more on her, and they said oh there are other things. Even if now you go to her socials, she's doing other things. Like she went on a trip. She's doing like amazing, you know.
Good and
And
busy.
no one. is an
Sure.
enemy of anyone.
Sure.
You get
True.
me? And that's one thing that people are missing, and no one was attacking anyone
Sure.
from the get-go.
True,
like
and
that.
there was never any